Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful, memorable, traditional cornucopia for your Thanksgiving dinner with your family. Please, let's watch together. Okay, let's start to do this beautiful fall arrangement. We can do centerpieces with candle as well, but since this is more traditional cornucopia, it's very hard to find these days. I have this from long time ago. I don't know if we can find something like this now. But anyway, there is a holder under. You can put foam wet liner inside, or you can put your foam for design inside any small container. This is 73G, or you can use Lumi Dish 6, number 6. So anyway, we put foam, 1/4 of foam here, and then Lumi Dish or 73G. It goes inside. You don't need to do anything. If you push this a little bit, it will stay perfectly for you, and you don't need to do hard work with it. No wire, no tape, no nothing. It will stay for you. You start to bring your flower, just like bunch of flower from inside of your cornucopia out, or you can do together round. Shape starts from here to here, or you can go longer. It's up to you. I start with primary orange rose or purple carnation. These are my favorite color. So I try to do round arrangement. You can go from here to here. I cut my flower prior to do faster, but you don't have to do that. You need to cut any time you use. Don't do all of them together. Just cut according size that you need to. So basically I go like this. I give them nice fresh cut and go in between now. Secondary or second primary is mass flower carnation. These are very beautiful carnation, the colors are, and they last good. You can have this arrangement made few days before your dinner. Doesn't need to be on time or close to your dinner time, because these flowers are all long lasting and very fresh from Ecuador. I am using orange rose, purple carnation, and this beautiful cushion mom. We can use another arrangement with candle for your table, but this is can go anywhere around your decoration, fall decoration. You can use this beautiful cornucopia. With this same design, when I am done with cornucopia, I show you how to add candle to it. Not inside the cornucopia, separate. I am trying to use some of this beautiful daisy mom or cushion daisy. They are gorgeous and nice color. I think I remember we used similar flower in fall for Halloween. Combination of these colors are beautiful to use. So basically we focus this way. This is good part for you to show. I'm gonna use some of this Peruvian lily. They are also come in a lot of different colors. Again, don't cover your shape of your cornucopia. Go inside to make it nice and puffy and full. To water and keep this arrangement fresh, you have half of the container out of cornucopia, so you can add with watering can. I'm gonna add just few of this nice myrtle. It's very easy technique. Easily you can do any kind of seasonal arrangement. I'm gonna add one more astromeria in this corner. I see that their side is perfect. You can put it any side, but let me add more of this nice. So I go here. So from anywhere, you can put it in center, or you can put it in corner of your table. So this is your cornucopia, but I would like to show you how you can do this design centerpiece with candle that I have here. I can put it back together for you as a cornucopia. I take it out, same design, only you go different. You make sure this side is full as well. So let me fill it up and add more. I add just a little bit more this side because sometimes you like to have candle for your party and it's very easy to add candle. So I rearrange just a little bit of the arrangement, put it inside of any kind of traditional container. Will shave your candle. You see that? Just shave it a little bit. I did shave this prior, but you can see, make it narrow. You don't need candle holder or anything. That easy. This can go inside the foam. You hold your foam and your container and push the candle in. I will add few more flower around the candle and basically that's it. You have two different designs. Okay, here it is, finished part of cornucopia, centerpiece or corner of any table. Beautiful fall cornucopia, easy to make. It's easy technique to do cornucopia or any fall arrangement with candle was very easy also. Thank you for watching.